Hello, Sandra.
Services, and today we have a lot of fun and exciting activities for everybody that all of you guys will enjoy later on. Because for all the kids, aside of fun and exciting games, we will also have a show that for sure all of you guys will enjoy. But before that, or before we start, I'm requesting everybody to please stand for a while as we welcome our little debutante and her family. Tayo muna po tayo lahat. So, ADJ, pause the music. O, diba? Napakadali lang naman for your grand entrance. Okay, now, DJ, pause the music. And now, everyone, please remain standing. So, before we start the celebration for the guests of the Lord, let us start with the opening prayer. So, I would like to call on Paulina Jumay. Oh, tama po ba? Can you please join us at the front? Hello po, madam. Wala po, mga pressure.
English po, English. Buong po sa...
Let's go! Hello po, energy! Energy, Mami! Mami! Mami, ganyan mo, tuloy-tuloy lang para din si Mayor. Mark Vincent! Pagpapala naman natin si Mark Vincent. So, pwede sa mic natin para... Sino si Mark Vincent? Sino si Mark Vincent? Kung gano'n makasaya si akin, gano'n di kasaya si Mark Vincent. Okay. Go Mark Vincent! Ano mo si akin, anak? Please connect. Ano mo sa akin? Please ano siya? Sige. Picture mo na. Before the message picture first, anak. Okay. How about you, sir? Diyan naman si Aki. Please, go. Okay, picture. Aki, about me on the tree. It's okay, okay na. Okay, next one natin. Ano naman si Aki? Good message for her.
Happy birthday, aking. Sana naman lang mabuti at sana.
Ninyo. Hindi, look at the camera first. Message for Rocky.
Happy birthday, Aki. Sana lumaki kang
And first, all of you guys, let's join us now on stage for the photo ops. Philippine, can we hear the mga gagawin mo? Ito mo naman sa yung stage. Hindi pa pwede tabihan si Rocky Edwards sa members. Hindi na lang sa nakaupo na lang kayo. Kuya Philippine, one picture pa. Okay. And then, after the photo ops guys, so just stay here lang for the twist. Meron tayong twist na Aki.
Happy birthday,
Ano talaga yung lahat, yung baso?
Dalag ka ni Ninang Maya.
Message ka ba sa iyo pamangkin?
Lola Tese, Lola Pepe, Anormal.
Hindi ka pa. Ang sasabihin kay kuya, kay tita. Mukhang maganda yung pagkakasipan mo ha. So anak, hindi man lang yun na. Enjoy. Kayo po, ano niyo po si Aki? How about you, Jogi? Ano pa siya? Pogi, tingin dito anak. Smile. Kenji, kano-ano mo si Aki, anak? Kano-ano mo si Aki? Di mo alam. Picture first. Okay, one more. Madali na ngayon ha? Oo, tingnan mo, ready na yung mga nasa taas ha? Let's go! Energy! One more! Just closer, look at the camera guys. Right dyan. Okay, so ready na po tayo to sing happy birthday song. Pasindihan na, sir. DJ, come on. Happy birthday to you. One more, yung mas malakas na ipalapakan. Hey! Happy birthday to you. Let's go! Happy birthday to you. One more! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Alright. Sabay-sabay po tayo, malakas. Okay, everybody say happy birthday, Aki! Palapakan naman po tayo dyan, okay? Pwede lang tayong pumila ang kapitchingol. Tara po tayo at bida ang saya. Ay, tama. Sabay-sabay, say happy birthday, Aki! Palapakan PM. Okay, so tapos muna natin yung program. Yung mga gusto mag-swimming, pwede na kayo mag-swimming. Thank you.
Kanin nga po. Okay na yun, okay. Anli ba, rice? Anli.
Pwede po bumalik, mandi mo yung pay.
So, tatawag na po ako ng mga
Kaya, babalik ako yan.
Wait lang po kayo.
Once again, thank you so much for the long talents cleaning services. Pwede po kayo bumalik sa ating buffet ha. After marami po pagkain. So,
Pwede doble.
Pwede na ba? Malayin natin yung table number 1.
Yan.
Yung pinakamalapit. Saka po na kayo kasama dyan eh. Kaya kayo doon. Malaputing din yung kasama nyo dyan eh. Hindi naman lang yan. Sino? Talagang maganda kung ano ka pa.
Konti lang.
Bilis ako.
Oh. Thank you.
Smile! One more. Last one. Okay, thank you so much po. Next one. Okay?